Looking Corporal Martinez.
Corporal Martinez, this is Judge Herrera. I'm on Zoom and ready to go.
Okay, Sergeant Rodriguez is getting on right now.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Can you hear me, Judge?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you see me?
Yes, sir, we can.
We're going to start off with Sierra.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna be now because
We have haircuts. Well, Kenny work, he's doing haircuts.
he's out. He's out.
He said he should be back tomorrow. He can do some.
Oh, he's out of office. No, so it turns out we didn't know he's coming in, but he did try something.
Man, officer.
Yeah, he did his best. It's just that one day.
Kenny's like.
I'm gonna show you more.
Yes.
Sarah,
I'm gonna
are you good?
No, we needed one. Possible.
Well, you need at least for the first 3 years.
Well, yeah. But I know he's better.
Do you want the for, one for the foreign, maybe third for?
What is your name, ma'am?
Sierra Pocket.
Okay, Miss Pocket, I'm Judge Herrera. I'm here to magistrate you on assault causing bodily injury, family violence. Are you feeling suicidal right now, ma'am?
It's on and off.
Okay, we're going to get you some help. Let me read your rights and let me tell you what we're going to do afterwards, okay?
Yes, sir.
The charge is assault causing bodily injury, family member. An affidavit charging you with this has been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorneys representing the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial. That's on felonies only. This is a Class A misdemeanor.
Oh, hell yeah.
An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. A clerk will assist you in filling out an application. An affidavit needs to be signed. A affidavit is a written or printed declaration of a statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath before a person having authority to administer such oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standards, you will qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You'll be given the name and the phone number of the attorney, and the court-appointed attorney should contact you within 24 hours. You understand your rights, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Tuesday and then our house, correct?
Okay.
But Wednesday is coming in.
This is usually an $8,000 surety, but I will make it an $8,000 PB with the bond conditions being that when you get released in 4 hours, that Miss Alexandra Braham from MHMR Camino Real will pick you up and take you over there. Do you agree to that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, it's important that you stay in on your meds. You know, I don't mind helping you out one time. I just don't want to have to do it again because I won't do it the second time.
Yeah, it's just
Okay.
right now we don't have transportation to get my medication. So it's been kind of hard.
Well, we're going to try to help you out and get you lined out right there. Also, you're going to be, there's going to be a protective order. That's automatic in Atascosa County. 31 days. You'll have to stay away from the address and Trey Harrington and the address at 2115 Sand Branch in Bigfoot.
Yes, sir. Do you know if I'll be able to stay in the CRU that long?
That we'll have to talk, you'll have to talk to Ms. Brenningham. If not, you'll have to go move in with your parents or somebody so you can, until the 31 days are up.
My
And
parents' house is the 2115 Sand Branch.
do what now?
My parents' house is the 2115 Sand Branch Road.
Well, then that's your house, not his house.
Yeah, he just lives with me.
Okay, well, you can't be around him, so,
He's at his dad, so I'm not gonna be around him.
okay, all right. Well, just so you understand that. And, like I said, I'm only doing this because we're trying to get you some help. Good luck with this, man.
Thank you. So in the next 4 hours, I leave.
Yes, ma'am. When they come for you, they'll contact Miss Branningham and Miss Branham, and she'll come and pick you up.
Okay, thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
That's for sure. I got all your 83 else.
4 hours, sorry, not correct. 4 hours right now.
Huh?
4 o'clock.
0.
4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, Sierra,
Don't mind.
Sierra,
Oh, I can't put it.
you hear me?
But I wanna.
At 4 o'clock.
Who's the next one, Judge?
Remember you're up.
The next one will be Alex Escamilla.
Either way, they need primary and secondary, so.
When it's the holidays, you know, someone will phone.
Police doing like. But you got all your, the only thing I did on, issue, is on, the first and second, yes, for primary. I just put me and you for a second and vice versa on the computer, so we're both coming in for. You can see on that bench, right? I mean, that chair, I'm sorry, that chair, sorry about that. All right.
Good morning, Alex. I don't know if you know me. I'm Judge Herrera.
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling suicidal today?
No, I'm just down, sir.
Okay, well, we'll make sure they keep a close watch on you. I'm gonna magistrate you on some charges out of Lorena PD, and you have 2 charges with them. You have a nice eye on a possession of controlled substance in Atascosa County. You have a revocation of probation on a possession of controlled substance in Atascosa County. And then you have an evading arrest and detention with vehicle out of Bear County. I'm going to read your rights on all of these at the same time. Then I'm going to tell you what you're going to have to do to get out, okay?
Okay.
An affidavit charging you with these charges has been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorneys representing the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial on your felonies. You have the right to be advised the procedures for requesting a court-appointed attorney. An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. A clerk will assist you in filling out an application. An affidavit needs to be signed. An affidavit is a written or printed declaration of a statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath before a person having authority to administer such oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standards, you will qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You'll be given the name and the phone number of an attorney, and the court-appointed attorney should contact you within 24 hours. You understand your rights?
Yes, sir.
Alex, are you going to need an attorney?
Yes.
Okay. On the two out of Lorena, they're 15,000 apiece. The one possession of control, the revocation of probation is 100,000 out of Atascosa. And the one out of Bear evading arrest and detention with the vehicle is 8,000. And then the nice eye on the possession of controlled substance, they have a no bond on that. So good luck with this, Alex.
Okay. Judge, can I ask a question?
You sure can.
Those two from that county,
Lorena,
yeah, I've never been there.
well, they have a warrant for you here, so we'll get it settled in because you've got a no bond, so you'll be there for a while.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So we'll get that straightened out
Okay,
and see if they got the wrong person or whatever while you're there. Okay?
okay, okay, sir.
All right. Good luck with this, Alex.
Thank you.
I got the record. There you go.
Guys, I will send you all this paperwork shortly.